When it comes to assessing your business's financial health, knowing your profit numbers is only half the story. You also need to know your liquidity. Specifically, your ability to cover your short-term debts with your short-term assets. This is measured by your current ratio. Instead of pulling out a calculator and diving into your balance sheet every month, you can monitor this vital metric live using a visual graph on your main dashboard. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and add a dedicated current ratio chart straight to your Performance Center interface. Let's jump right in. To find your visual tracking workspace, look over at your left-hand navigation bar and click directly on the main Reports menu. From there, head straight into your Custom Reports tab at the top, scroll down through your available modules, and select Performance Center to pull up your Graphics Hub. Once your Visualization Hub loads, head over to the top right header area of the grid and click the green Add New Chart button. This initializes our configuration wizard where we can select our core KPI target from scratch. QuickBooks gives you a complete library of data source templates to choose from, like expenses, cash flow, and accounts receivable. Because we want to monitor our liquidity health today, go ahead and select the current ratio template card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. Now you're inside your design workstation. Right at the top, you can select your visual layout style. For a ratio mapping layout, a smooth, continuous trendline is perfect for watching your monthly baseline momentum. But you can also choose vertical bars to view distinct monthly positions. Over on the left-hand pane under the Customize section, let's lock in our formatting fields. Click into the name box and give your chart a clean title, like Current Ratio Trend. Right below that, use the Time Period dropdown to select your timeline tracking baseline. We'll set ours to this year to date. Once your layout filters look exactly the way you want them, slide down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the bright green Add to Dashboard button. The customization panel snaps shut, and your beautiful new Live Updating Liquid Health widget is officially pinned onto your main cockpit. Now you can eyeball your structural safety buffer every single time you open up your books without running manual calculations. If this quick charting setup guide simplified your visual dashboard layout today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.